Hi. So in this one, we're going to be showing you how to add a variant product. So you can add like in a product, you can add like kilos or like packages or whatever you want. So the price is according to the selection of the variants, right? So first of all, we're going to go into products. And you see here, I already created a test variant product. So I'll just click view. I'll show you that. So it'll look like this. So you can have a weight, whatever it is, and you can have that. What are the options they have, right? So it'll be, so if they choose 1 kilo, the price based on the variant. That's what it is. So we'll start going and creating the product. So to create that first, you always want to go into attributes. So I'll show you what it is in attributes. So that's the definition. This is where you set the definition of the variants. So I have three here that I just pre-made. One is fruits and vegetables, weights, and alcohol. So you see the weights over here. This is from here. So you just have to name according to, you just create a list according to whatever. So if it's for alcohol, you just do bottle and create a bottle. So there's something called bottles, right? Bottles over here, and then slurg, and then so just say. So in here we'll just do bottles, and then we'll just do bottles as a slug, and then we'll do add attributes. So what we've done is we just created a section called bottles, but we have nothing in it. So you want to go into bottles over here, and then you can start adding in. So you can do 1.5 liters. So you just do a slurg, the same thing. 1.5. You can do 2.5. 2.5. You can do 750 ml. 750 ml. 500 ml. 500 ml. So this is just examples, right? So what this does is that we already added these options into the attributes called bottles. So if we go back into attributes, we should be able to see these different options. Okay, so now we got the attributes set up, and this is just the basic examples of setting up attributes. We can also do the same thing inside product. Let me show you that. Okay, so we'll go into all products, but it's always a good idea to add an attribute so you have already a set amount of variants, so you don't have to add it for each different product. And then you just do add new. I'll just get a product from LCBO. Let's see. Okay, let me just get this. Okay. So I'm just gonna get okay, so I'm just gonna get brandy from LCBO, and we're gonna put them in brandy over here, distilled drinks, alcoholic beverages. We're gonna select the category. I'm gonna import the photo, product image. Oh, sorry. Select from thing. I believe this is the image. Nope, that's not it. I see it in desktop. Okay. Yeah, this is the one. Okay, so we still set product image, and also we're gonna do here. So when you scroll down here, you're gonna see product data, and it's gonna just say simple product. No, you want to change that to variable product. Okay, so this one gives you the option. Now you want to go into attributes, and you want to click down here, And I'm just going to select alcohol, or you can add a new one also here. But just remember this: when you add here, you cannot copy this to every other product, so this has to be done individually. So I suggest you go into attributes, already think of all the amount of things that's going to come in all your things. Right? So vegetables, you can have like bunches or whatever it is, right? Like pack or a dozen or half a dozen, so you can add those in here. So I'm going to do I'm going to do, okay, just say the one we created, okay, new one, the bottles, and I'm going to click add. Okay, and then we're going to do use for variation. This is where you want to make sure this box is checked, and then you want to go here. And when you click on it, it's going to give you all the options. So we have 1.5 liters, we have 2 liters, we have 500 ml, we have 750 ml. So and then if you want, you can also add a new one, add new, and this is going to come up a pop-up. You can say let's add 250 ml, the small bottle. So see, it's added over here. So now once you make sure that you have the used for variations also selected, and click save attributes. So let it save. Okay, now that's saved. So when we go to variation, you're going to click create variation from all the attributes. So we want to pull all the attributes, click OK. We want to click all the attributes, so that we selected 7 different attributes, right? So the 5 variation added. So that's 1.5 liters, 2.5 liters, 250 ml, so 500 ml, and you can rearrange the order if you want to. So if you want to change any orders, and if you want to make 750 first or anything like that, you can also do just dragging and dropping it here. Okay, but I don't mind the order here, so I'm just going to leave it as is. So yeah, so you see here. Okay, so I'm just going to move it down, and I'm going to move the 2.5 liters up on top. Okay, so now we have all the variation of the product, right? So we want to click on this, and then we want to go into price. So you can also, so normally like what we do for other things, right? So we have regular price here. Let's say for the 2.5 liters we do $80. You can also do a sale price too, as we do in other things, schedule sales. I'm just going to do for this example. So I'm going to do thing in stock, and then I'm going to do 1.5 liter, and the regular price I'm just going to do $70. And then I'm going to do the 250 ml as, let's say, $10, small bottle. 500 milliliter, I'm going to do maybe $15. And I'm going to do 750, like $25. Okay. So now we have all the price set for each variations. So now we want to save the changes, and then now we want to publish the product. Okay, so when we now go back into the product, I'm just going to open up a new tab. See over here now. So you're going to see different options now. So you're going to see 1.5, 2.5, oh sorry, 250, 500 ml, 750 ml. And then if we go back here, variations, you see over here. Okay, so and then the category we selected was bottles. You can even say name this as sizes. I think that's what appropriate would be, but just for examples, right? So yeah, so that's how you set variations in product, and when customer adds the product, it adds whatever they selected. So then you should see in your cart, if you go back to your cart, it'll say 2.5 liter. See, it says 2.5 liters, so that's a bottle. Okay. So I guess that's all for variation products. If you have any questions, you can always send me a message or call. Thank you.